The electronic bill of lading, or eBL, is the digital alternative to the traditional paper bill of lading. The reason more customers are choosing it is simple. It's faster. It simplifies data sharing across the supply chain, and it reduces the need for physical courier services, which also lowers cost. At the same time, it offers a more secure way to manage documentation. What's important is that it mirrors the existing paper workflow, so the process itself feels familiar. It's just handled digitally. Getting started is straightforward, registration is simple, and once you're set up, you can begin using eBL without changing how you normally work. What we see is that once customers take that first step, the benefits become very clear.